Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2019 past question. Question number 47 says the church demonstrates partiality when dash. We want to talk about partiality. Partiality is the direct opposite of the word impartial or impartiality, and to be partial means to be unjust, not to treat everybody equally, means to on on equal treatment, on equal treat, treatment. So and so the church demonstrates partiality when she dash a accords the poor much respect, b respect the rich during worship, c reserves the best seat for the rich, d treats her members with impunity. The correct option here is option c, reserves the best seat for the rich, and it happens to in our modern churches today. So that is the art of partiality, when you reserve some seats, certain seats for some special people, owing to the fact that they are rich member of the assembly. That is the art of partiality. So for the detail of this, we find it in the book of James, James chapter 5, verse 1 to 6. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.